Alright, we are back with another video. This one definitely different. Basically talking about what is happening with MP, and how far we're gonna go with it. Um, so my idea is we're gonna go really far. We're wanting to create a framework that has everything that you could literally just plug and play. One, hoping that it's gonna be better than most. Um, but two, also so we could like build upon it. Right now I'm in the middle of deciding what to do. So I've talked about possibly not stopping development, but stopping new videos for until the new year basically. And this is mainly because we reached a point where not where I'm stuck or anything like that. Really, it's more or less like when do we want to call like season 1? So far, I think we've gotten pretty far with it. So possibly there might be 1 to 2 more videos on the creating a FiveM framework, and then quote unquote like next season, aka next year, will be more going into the deeper end of the framework. So that's going to be more with like characters, getting an inventory in there, getting all the jobs working, everything like that, all working. And I think that's a good start that we can go to here. Um, and in the meantime, I've actually been coding my website, which is going to help a lot of people for main power. And this is mainly what it is. It's all done in React and TypeScript so far, but I could show you a portion of it. So, um, let me open up, make sure it's still recording. So there's a part of the website, and we'll have main power, which you could just download from the website, just like here. This main power plus is going to be a version of main power that's more highly done. However, right now it's more or less just put into a donation button when it will be complete. Right now it's not complete though, so I don't know. If you want to donate, if you really feel like it, you just don't. I mean, you can become a member sub on YouTube or Twitch sub or whichever one you want to do. And then we have Main Power Plus right here, which goes to the join, which doesn't actually work. But we have all these links up here. We'll go to FiveM and we'll show you a little bit more here. And this is when it gets this is how it's going to help a lot of people that are going to be coding in main power. So you obviously have your introduction on why I did it and everything like this. Rent and server. Any company want to work with me, just hit me up. We'll get you in here, you know what I'm saying? And then we have guides. So installing FiveM. We have FiveM right here that you can click on if you want. And installing main power sort of works the same way as well as SQL installs. So we have some script optimizations, which would help, which can help some people out. Some useful links here. So you got my GitHub and all of that. And then we have our main power. Now this is not included ported scripts, but I might add a ported scripts down here that you could possibly use. Main Power Plus will not have this. Main Power Plus is basically going to be a subscription-based platform, and will be very hard to change code, I guess. It might be very hard. You never know. But then we have all our client events. So it says what it is and what it's used for. These are all the events. So then we have our functions, which do the same thing. Tell you what the function is. I don't know if they all call stuff here. I'm pretty sure I got everything calling what you need to call here. Yeah, and all of that. Same with server events and double server events because I didn't name this one 2 functions for some reason. But then we have our exports as well that you could take into here. So yeah, that's basically so so I'm gonna be doing this. Um, we will have a search function that you can just search for stuff too, but this will be hopefully done by the new year, and then all everything will be edited day by day. If we add something to the Git, this same thing in one of these, it will be updated, and you can see how we changed it a little bit. So events, you have the base events, admin, elements. Same thing with all these, as well as all of these ones. Exports, I just put them all in one thing because that's all you really need to know. Actually, no, you don't. I should have put because this is log, so you need to call it different. Yeah, maybe I should have put the call in here as well, but that could be done later. Also, the GitHub is gonna possibly change. Yeah, so this GitHub might actually change to my personal GitHub just to make it easier for me to edit it. And then in MP Framework, we won't have all of these files. We won't have all the FiveM server files, but we will have everything inside of our CFX server data folder. Everything will be in here, all the same. And we'll probably be noted a little better here because what? We can go to main power base. I think this is, oh, we don't even have this. Okay, so yeah, a lot of this is going to change, but everything's going to be updated in the description and everything when that happens, but you just need to wait. Also, I'll go over the Discord changes as they have changed. So we have the rules are basic, very basic. Main power now goes to its own Discord, which you could go into the description of this video, and it's going to be in there as well if you just want to join the main power. However, this is strictly just for main power. Any support talked in here that is not main power, you'll possibly be removed, muted, or permanently removed. The rules basically say this. Any changes you make in main power that are not supported, by I guess supported as in like it's not used by me. So for an example, SQL stuff, that's on you. That's personally on you. Sometimes I don't have enough time to answer questions. I mean, it just takes a little looking at documents sometimes, and you can figure it out. But yeah, that is about it for this video. So that's where it's been. So expect maybe like 1 to 2 more creating a FiveM framework videos. And then that's going to be it for this year until next year. Then we'll go full force in that. There's probably going to be a lot more YouTube streams then as well. And hopefully, yeah, YouTube streams, all that fun stuff. More videos maybe. But yeah, we'll see you then.